Doritos are more than just a snack. They're a cultural icon. From movie nights to road trips, these bold, crunchy tortilla chips have become a staple in millions of households around the world. Every bite delivers an unmistakable burst of flavor, whether it's classic nacho cheese, Cool Ranch, or one of the many intense limited edition varieties that fans wait all year for. Each year, billions of Doritos chips are eaten globally, making them one of the most successful snack foods ever created. But have you ever stopped to wonder how a simple kernel of corn becomes one of the most recognizable chips on Earth? Today, we're taking you inside the modern production process to uncover the fascinating journey from farm to flavor-packed bag, and how factories can produce hundreds of thousands of bags of Doritos every single day. Unlike potato chips, which start their life underground, Doritos begin in massive cornfields stretching across rural farmland. Corn is the foundation of every Doritos chip, and keeping production running smoothly requires an enormous and carefully managed supply chain. Each corn plant takes about 3 to 4 months to mature, depending on weather conditions and soil quality. When harvest season arrives, usually between late summer and early fall, farmers deploy specialized harvesting machines that move through the fields with incredible efficiency. These machines are equipped with precision blades that cut the ears of corn from the stalks while minimizing waste. Automated husking systems strip away the outer layers, leaving clean ears of corn ready for transport. In a single day, one harvester can collect well over 100 tons of corn, clearing entire fields in just hours. Once harvested, the corn is immediately loaded onto transport trucks and shipped to processing facilities. At the factory, a constant stream of trucks arrives throughout the day, unloading massive quantities of corn onto large outdoor conveyor systems. These conveyors are built to handle extreme volume, moving tens of thousands of tons of corn each year. Heavy machinery helps guide the flow, ensuring the corn feeds smoothly into the production line without delays. This first stage is all about speed and organization, keeping the supply steady so the factory never runs short of its most important ingredient. As the corn moves deeper into the facility, it enters the husking and cleaning phase. High-speed rollers gently strip away any remaining husk and silk without damaging the kernels. The goal is to prepare the corn for one of the most critical steps, kernel separation. This process requires both power and precision. Advanced machines fitted with rotating blades remove the kernels from each cob with remarkable accuracy. Sensors automatically adjust the cutting width based on the size of each ear of corn, ensuring maximum yield with minimal waste. In just 1 hour, this system can process thousands of ears of corn, transforming them into a steady stream of golden kernels ready for inspection. Even with all this automation, human oversight remains essential. Workers visually inspect the kernels as they move along conveyor belts, removing any that appear damaged or discolored. Only the best kernels continue forward. From there, the corn is stored in massive silos designed to preserve freshness. These silos carefully regulate temperature and humidity, preventing mold and spoilage. Each silo can hold hundreds of thousands of pounds of corn, and in busy production facilities, an entire silo can be emptied in just a few days. Once the corn is ready to be transformed, it's transported through enclosed pipelines into the heart of the processing plant. The first stop is the cleaning station, where vibrating screens remove any remaining dirt, stones, or debris. The kernels are then washed thoroughly, ensuring they meet strict food safety standards. After cleaning, the corn enters a specialized system that prepares it for cooking. This step helps remove the thin outer layer of each kernel, allowing for smoother grinding later in the process. Next comes cooking, one of the most important stages in creating the perfect Doritos texture. The corn is transferred into large industrial kettles, where it's gently heated with water. This softens the kernels and begins breaking down their internal structure. After cooking, the corn is moved into soaking tanks, where it rests for several hours. During this time, the kernels absorb moisture, becoming pliable and easier to grind. Any leftover husk residue floats to the surface and is removed, leaving behind perfectly hydrated corn. Once soaked, the kernels are rinsed again using high-pressure water jets to ensure absolute cleanliness. Now the corn is ready to become dough. It enters powerful grinding machines fitted with durable stone surfaces that rotate at high speed. These grinders crush the kernels into a smooth, elastic corn dough known as masa. This dough is carefully monitored for moisture, temperature, and consistency. Even slight variations can affect how the chips bake, fry, and hold seasoning later on. To achieve the ideal texture, factories often blend different types of corn. White corn adds elasticity, while yellow corn provides structure and flavor. Together, they create a dough that's strong enough to be shaped, yet tender enough to puff during cooking. Once perfected, the masa is pushed through a narrow opening and rolled into a thin sheet. This sheet passes through cutting rollers that slice it into Doritos' signature triangular shape. Each sharp edge is formed with precision, ensuring uniform size and thickness. In large-scale facilities, this cutting system can create hundreds of thousands of chips every minute. Now comes the heat. The raw triangles enter a massive industrial oven, where they bake briefly at high temperatures. This stage partially cooks the chips and sets their structure, creating tiny air pockets inside the dough. These air pockets are what give Doritos their light, crunchy texture. After baking, the chips cool slightly before heading to the frying station. Frying is where Doritos gain their iconic golden color and satisfying crunch. The chips pass through large vats of hot canola oil, where they cook for less than a minute. During this time, moisture inside the chips evaporates rapidly, expanding the air pockets and creating that unmistakable crispness. Once fried, the chips travel along mesh conveyors that drain excess oil. The oil itself is filtered and reused through a closed-loop system, maintaining freshness and quality while reducing waste. With the chips fully cooked, it's time for the most exciting part: seasoning. The plain chips enter giant rotating drums where they're coated with the bold flavors Doritos are famous for. Large containers of seasoning blends are poured into hoppers that feed precise amounts into the drums. These blends include cheeses, spices, salt, and flavor enhancers that give each variety its signature taste. A fine mist of oil is sprayed over the chips to help the seasoning stick evenly. As the drums rotate, the chips tumble gently, ensuring every surface is coated without breaking. Once seasoned, the chips move along long cooling conveyors. This allows the flavors to settle and the chips to reach the perfect temperature before packaging. By this point, the transformation is complete. Simple corn has become a fully flavored Doritos chip, ready to be enjoyed. Before packaging, quality control teams take random samples from each batch. They check for seasoning coverage, texture, moisture content, and fat levels. Only batches that meet strict standards move forward. This attention to detail ensures that every bag of Doritos delivers the same bold taste fans expect. Finally, the chips arrive at the packaging line, where speed and precision take center stage. The chips flow into large hoppers that feed multi-head weighing machines. These machines calculate the exact amount needed for each bag in a fraction of a second. Once measured, the chips drop into freshly formed bags made from layered film designed to keep them fresh. The bags are sealed instantly, and nitrogen gas is injected inside to push out oxygen. This keeps the chips crisp and creates the familiar puffed appearance that protects them during shipping. Each bag is inspected for accuracy before being packed into boxes. In a single day, one factory can package hundreds of thousands of bags of Doritos, adding up to millions every month and hundreds of millions every year. So, the next time you open a bag of Doritos, remember the incredible journey behind every chip. From vast cornfields and high-tech machinery to precision seasoning and airtight packaging. And here's a fun challenge for you. How many corn kernels do you think it takes to make just one bag of Doritos? Drop your guess in the comments below. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how Doritos are made, be sure to hit like, share this video with fellow snack lovers, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating food production stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.